Today we're showing you how to start a 2-stroke Hedge trimmer. The fuel mix we recommend is the 40:1 ratio. This is 40 part petrol to 1 part engine oil, meaning 1 litre of fuel equals 975 millilitres of petrol to 25 millilitres of 2-stroke oil. This is the choke switch. This is the fuel priming bulb, and this is the engine start cord. At the front we have the top trigger, trigger lock switch and the bottom throttle. Now you know the controls, here's how to use them. Switch the choke towards the engine and press the priming bulb until it fills with fuel. This usually takes 2 to 5 presses. Hold down the top trigger and bottom throttle and switch the trigger lock towards the machine. Now pull the start cord. If the engine does not fully start, then what you want to do is turn the choke off and pull the start cord again. To turn the engine off, switch the trigger lock away from yourself. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and leave a comment. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and press the bell to be notified when we upload.